We're looking at an articulated model of the foot here. So all the joints and bones are being held together, just like what we saw in the hand. So we have to go through and look at the tarsals. Those are going to be the tarsals, or the bones that make up a portion of your foot. Now, the first tarsal is known as the calcaneus. This bone back here is the calcaneus. It's your heel, basically, the calcaneus. We then have the talus. The talus is this bone right here. You can tell a nice, smooth top portion to it. The talus is what will articulate with the tibia. It's where all the weight is put into your foot, that is applied into the talus. From the talus, it distributes it all throughout the foot. Then we have the cuboid. Now the cuboid is over here. This is the cuboid. It's on the lateral portion of the foot, the cuboid. We have the navicular, which is this one right here. Navicular. You can see it's kind of like a ring shape coming around the actual talus. Navicular. And we have three cuneiforms. We have the medial cuneiform. We have the intermediate cuneiform. And we have the lateral cuneiform. You're saying, well, how do you know which is medial and lateral? This right here is your big toe. The big toe is on the medial side. So medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, with the cuboid being out here. This is navicular, talus, and this large one down here is the calcaneus. We then have the metatarsals. These are the 5 metatarsals. The big toe is metatarsal 1, and they count over 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 metatarsals. Then we have the phalanges. Now, just like the hand, the big toe only has 2 phalanges, a proximal phalange and a distal phalange. But toes 2, 3, 4, and 5 all have proximal phalanges, middle phalanges, and distal phalanges. So it's just the same as the hand. The big toe, in this case, only has proximal and distal. The thumb only had proximal and distal. So run through them all one more time quickly. We're looking at the calcaneus, looking at the talus. We're looking then at the cuboid over here on the lateral side, the navicular, medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform. These 5 are the metatarsals. We then have the proximal phalanges, the intermediate phalanges, only on toes 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the distal phalanges on all 5 again. That is what you're looking at for your foot, and this is a superior view of the foot in this case.